it's me, Kate, from Kate's Crazy Creations. Today I have a special guest, my cousin Bella. Today we're going to be making Snickers. So we're going to need 1 jar of 340 grams of peanut butter. And if you live in England, you get this a lot, and I'll give you a hint, it's golden syrup. But if you live in the USA, then you'll have to go to a special store for this. I'll talk about the special store later. You need sugar, vanilla sugar, coconut, and some cornflakes. And remember, these are non-sugary cornflakes. Cornflakes, we're gonna start out with them, and we're gonna mush them up. Do not put them in a food processor, because we want small, we still want these, but not this big. So, we can start crunching. This will I've done this before. In my school. I wanted it to be very crunchy and small. It's painful. Looks like that's enough. So now we're gonna, don't forget, this is actually a non-baked Snickers, but you will have to heat things up. Not bake, but heat. So I'm gonna go get this pot. You need a pot. Oh, looky there. 2 things that I really will need. A spoon and one of these thingamabobs. I don't know what they're called. So we're gonna have to put all of these things, except this, into the pot. I keep forgetting what things are called. Oh my god, that looks so old. It does not look very. But we have all of it in here, as you guys can see, right here. Now let's take all the golden syrup. We're going to retake this a few times. Okay, let's put all of the golden syrup in here. Get all of this juicy golden. I have some on my forehead, don't I? I'm so messy. And we should be done. Now let's put this all the way over here. With the, oh, that smells so good. Now let's take the sugar. All of the sugar. Oh, this is like an ASMR video, but with sugar and not sand and that stuff. Now, oh, vanilla sugar smells so good. Now let's put all the vanilla sugar in there. She didn't want to, but come on. Now let's take the coconut. We gotta get all the coconut in there. And remember, stir and don't put these cornflakes in. Do not. Now let's stir it. This looks so bad, but it's gonna taste so good. Okay, let's see. It looks pretty good. So we're gonna put this on the stove, and it's a no-bake. Heat it up, but put it on a very low temperature. And I have the hiccups, that's why I'm sounding a little weird. So we're gonna put it on there and keep stirring. Put it on a very low heat. And we're gonna keep stirring. So let's see here, which stove is on? It's on this one. Let's put it on like a, put it on, oh no, not a 9. Shoot, good. We put it on a 4, and we're gonna keep stirring until everything's like melted. We're gonna show you it when it's like done. Okay, so this is the consistency you guys want. I put it on a 4, and now it's on a 2. So this is the consistency you want. And now let's get stirring. Okay, so keep on mixing, but we're gonna put our corn flakes in, but keep on mixing even though it's hard. It's gonna be hard. We're doing a little bit at a time. Now, let's put on. It's gonna be a lot of cornflakes. It's gonna be Cornlandia. I think we put in too many cornflakes. Nah, we didn't. I think it would be just okay. And you guys can send me some pictures on how your Snickers turned out. And send me some comments down below what you thought of the recipe. So we're gonna take all of this and we're gonna pour onto this. But we need this, like this thick. I can come closer to the camera. Here we go. This thick, this thick. I'm gonna go back. I'm taller. Mind blown. Okay, let's go. Oh, whoops, found this one. Now we're gonna take it. Be careful, it's very hard. It's very, oops, I'm looking everywhere right now. That looks weird. I have one question to ask the viewers. Has this worked out for you guys, and you guys care? Oh, and the measurements are down at the description, or I was gonna say it's down by the reception. Description down below. Okay, so this is how it has to be, about that thick, a rectangle. And we're gonna open the chocolate, 200 grams. I'm learning about grams in school, but smart. Now we're gonna open this up. And, oh, looky there. It was already opened. And open that up. Let's see. Oh, wow, that is so juicy. Oh, put it in the bowl. It's like already kind of melted, so I'm going like super fast. Okay, I'm trying to go super fast because it's like melting in my hands. So I'm like going like, oh, what to do, what to do? $200 grams. Okay, so we're done. I really want to take a bite of that. And let's pop it in the microwave. Woo! Okay, so now that it's out of the microwave, super hot, remember, parents' house. So now we're gonna pour it all on here, and we gotta get a smooth, even layer. Even smooth layer. Okay, I will need someone to help me with this, but I have to do it all alone. I'm pouring it into one loop, and then we're gonna be spreading it out. Oh, this looks so yummy. I just want to eat it, but it kind of looks like food. Not kidding. So, after this, we are gonna put this in the freezer for 30 minutes, and you can do whatever you want. Refrigerate, I meant. For 30 minutes, you can do whatever you want, and then you have Snickers Bars. So we're gonna just spread this out. Oh. And make sure it has to be a smooth, even layer. Get it. There we go. Get it all together. There. Wait, I just want to do something. Do. Yeah. Do. There. I made a heart in the middle. So now let's put it in the refrigerator. Okay, guys, it's finally time. It's ready. Let's go. I'm going to get it. Oh, right here. Okay, open that more up. Smile. And my assistant clothes. Thank you. Okay, good. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut a piece here. It should not be this easy. so easy. There. And I also might just cut it in half. Oh shoot, this is actually harder than I thought. Okay, never mind of cutting it in half. You can take a first bite. Sounds good. Oh, that's definitely good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.